bright and welcoming backdrop with the title, Investment Strategies for Beginners. Welcome to our channel, where we believe that everyone has the potential to build a solid financial foundation through smart investment strategies. In this video, we will share valuable insights and tips for beginners looking to navigate the world of finance. Let's get started. Before diving into specific investment strategies, it's crucial to understand the fundamentals. One of the first steps is defining your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, buying a house, or planning for your child's education? Identifying your objectives will guide your investment decisions. Once you have established your goals, it's time to consider your risk tolerance. Different investments come with varying degrees of risk. Some may offer higher potential returns but also carry higher risks. It's important to find a balance that aligns with your comfort level. Risk tolerance. Now, let's explore a few investment strategies that can help you build a solid financial foundation. Keep in mind that these are general concepts, and it's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor for personalized advice. Diversification. The old saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," holds true in the investment world. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This strategy helps mitigate risks and increase the potential for stable returns. Dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. By consistently investing over time, you can take advantage of market fluctuations and potentially lower your average cost per share. Index funds. These are investment funds that aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. Index funds offer broad market exposure, low fees, and are suitable for long-term investors seeking consistent returns. Dividend investing. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits back to shareholders. This strategy provides a regular income stream and can be a source of stable returns, particularly for income-focused investors. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are similar to index funds but trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks. They offer diversification, flexibility, and the ability to invest in specific sectors or themes, such as renewable energy or technology. Remember, these strategies are just the tip of the iceberg. As you continue your investment journey, it's essential to stay informed, keep learning, and adapt to changing market conditions. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice when needed. That wraps up our video on investment strategies for beginners. We hope you found these insights helpful as you embark on your financial journey. Remember, building a solid financial foundation takes time and patience. Stay focused, stay informed, and make informed investment decisions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and insights.